Welcome to the Homeowner's Guide to AC Repair, brought to you by Mallard Heating Cooling, your local air conditioning experts in Spanish Fort and across Baldwin County. Wondering how to cut AC costs before summer hits? If your energy bills spike every summer, you're not alone. Most people think it's just part of living in Alabama, but it's not. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, air conditioners can lose about 5% of their efficiency each year without proper maintenance. There are two simple things every homeowner can do to help lower their energy bills. First, make sure to regularly change your air filter to keep airflow strong. Second, schedule routine AC maintenance to keep your system running at peak performance. Do those two things and you'll stay more comfortable while spending less. The key to maximizing comfort is to make sure to hire the right air conditioning company. Mallard Air is proud to be voted Best of Alabama, featured in the Ductless directory, recognized as a Ductless All-Star, and featured in USA Today for their excellence in air conditioning repair. Based in Spanish Fort, they serve Daphne, Fairhope, and all of Baldwin County. Get a free evaluation of your AC system. Call 251-225-4035 today or visit callmallardair.com.